That is the reason. This is not reason. You are only in for your friends require your friends. No. Request. You legs and sit in this way.
This position. This position.
This okay. This way position is all enough. Listen. This is the way. You can only see and you can only grab this situation. You are learn and also learn, and of course this is right. You are glorian, we are glorians, and
I am going.
yes, of course.
If you want to speak anything, you should use the mic.
Yes, of course, anything, anyhow is mistake. Who can person is not better in the world? I'm right?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
You're absolutely right. You can never be wrong.
So you are try me. Please
Listen.
start the sentences.
Can you first start?
Okay.
No, first I'm asking why you are here. I don't want to ask you some questions.
Okay.
Have
Why
a
are you-
conversation with him. Tell
Okay.
him about something.
Okay, sir. Why are you here in this class?
I learn English
Oh.
course and
Why are you coming here?
I learn English course and spoken English. I can speak English.
That is the reason. This is not reason. You are only in for your friends require your friends. No. Request. You are only see your friends and you can follow.
No.
No follow.
I can listen.
So you tell what are you understand this class. You are already see the lectures on the YouTube. So what are you thinking about this class?
That's a very good question.
That's very important on the real life.
Okay, so next.
And you see video on YouTube and you speak English, basic English, and you will speak English.
Yes, I will. But what about you think?
I think nice video.
Okay, this is the problem. You understand my questions, but you cannot able to correct answering me. Okay, this class mean is the answering. This is having to answering. This is improving, building the confidence. This class is important is your confidence. This is the problem. You understand my questions, but you cannot able to correct answering me. Okay, this class mean is the answering. This is having to answering. This is improving, building the confidence. This class is important is your confidence building, and you can learn in this way, so you can follow, but you cannot following us. You can follow the situations. You can follow the every time of situation, and when you learn and you see you are right, you are absolutely right, you are not wrong way go, you are going on right side. So this class is the first step of going right side. I'm right.
Exactly, you are right.
So you can start on this situation. Actually, we are already done how many means, words, and proper
Sentences.
sentences. So you are in the class. Actually, 1 month is gone, so you cannot learn. So you can see all and you
YouTube.
can learn. You are follow us, and we are able to you you
Will make you able to speak English. We
able
will
to
make
speak
you able to speak English in a
English.
couple of days,
Okay.
inshallah.
Inshallah.
So
Inshallah.
because it is his first day, he is coming for the first time in our class.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is why he's not, kind of easy or confident kind of, you can say, to speak like you can. Because we have gone through
I
the
am
situation
weak.
many times.
Of course.
It's his first time to be on the screen, on the camera. So of course, it makes a huge difference to be on the camera or off the camera. It's a huge difference.